I'm Gerald Miles from Mae'r's Organic Farm, Pembrokeshire, Wales, and we're standing in the crop of EIP trials of ancient varieties. We've got April bearded, which is an ancient variety, Malinka, which is a modern variety, and then we've got another ancient one, einkorn. These three varieties, we've sown them in 2 different seed rates, and as well we've half of it we've undersown with clover and the other half we haven't. Tomorrow we'll be combining them and we'll be weighing the result then to compare the differences yield wise between the seed rates and as well from those varieties, all the varieties that have been undersown and not undersown. We'll have 2 bakers, Rupert Dunn from Tortha Tir and Andrew Forbes, who will be doing the baking and testing the quality of the flour. Later on then we'll be doing autumn trials, and those will be harvested in July. These will be trials of ancient autumn trials of winter corn or winter wheat, where we'll be replicating the whole trial again but using winter varieties and doing the same comparison. So hang on in there. Thank you.